In June 2012, President Barack Obama signed an executive order protecting children that were brought to the U.S. with their parents, protecting them from deportation. They had to have arrived by June of 2007, be in school or working, and have no criminal record. This executive order gave 400,000 residents the opportunity to get an education, get a driver's license, and pay taxes. And that number's up to 800,000 now. The average time that DACA students live in the U.S. is about 20 years. About 1.5 billion people share a home with a DACA student, and up to $8.8 billion in taxes have been paid by DACA students and their families. President Trump challenged the legitimacy of the program in the Supreme Court and will hear the arguments on November 12th. They will release their decision at any time before January and June of 2020. The Supreme Court can go three different ways. They can decide that they will not review the decision. They can reinstate DACA, which will allow for renewals and let more people apply, or they can decide that DACA is unlawful. This is the worst case scenario, which in turn, if this happens, Congress can also pick it up and make a new law to either replace it or improve it. So hopefully it works in our favors, but we'll have our fingers crossed for when that hearing happens next year. For now, the important thing is to think positively and renew your DACA as soon as possible. You have about a 5-month window from when before it expires that you should start applying. So if it expires in August, the latest you should be applying for is March for your renewal. With that being said, it is also important not only for you to renew, but to stay as clean of a criminal record as you can have. No, not even as small as a traffic ticket. Stay more cautious, more aware. Make sure if you're in school, you stay in school, and if you're working, you keep a job. So if any time to be more cautious than ever, it is now with the time that we're in. Just be careful, but we all have hope that everything will work out for the better. And subamos a la ola juntos.